Dear students, today's topic is non-right angle triangles, in which first we will discuss the sine law. Now the first formula for the sine law is a by sine A is equal to b by sine B is equal to c by sine C, or it can be written as sine A over A is equal to sine B over B and sine C over C. Now remember one thing, when you have a non-right angle triangle and if you have three vertices, this is A, B and C. So opposite to angle A, this is angle A, so opposite to this you will have the side A, small side, and where you have angle B, so opposite to this, this is the opposite side of angle B, so this is small b, and this is angle C, this one, and opposite to angle C you have small c. So you have to remember, opposite to angle A you have small a, opposite to angle B you have small b, the side, and opposite to angle C, the side C. So sometimes they will give you two angles and we have to find the unknown sides. Sometimes they will give you only one angle but the sides are given, so with the help of sine rule we can find the other sides, the unknown sides. Now we will do some examples. The first example is, if you have a non-right angle triangle, remember we can apply sine rule only on non-right angle triangles. See, there are three sides A, B and C. Opposite, so the sides are given. This is 7.24 centimeter. Sorry, this is 30 centimeter. And the angles are given. Angle A is given, it is 40. Angle B is given, which is 52 degree. So what we have to find? We have to find angle C. We have to see opposite to angle A, this side is A, opposite to angle B, this side is B, and opposite to angle C, this is side C. So first we have to find angle C, and then with the help of sine rule we can find the unknown sides. So if two angles of the triangle are given, how can we find the third one? So we will just add the given two angles, 40 plus 52, which is equal to 92, and we will just subtract it, 180 minus 92, so the answer will be 88 degree. Now we have to find side B. So with the help of sine rule we can find it. So as we know, remember one thing, as we know the angle A and the side A. So with the help of angle A and side A we can find side B and side C. So first we will write the formula. So sine A over A is equal to sine B over B. Now we have to put the values. What is angle A? It is 40 degree. Side A is 30. Sine B, so B angle is 52 degree, and side B we have to find it. How can we solve it after this? We will just do simple cross multiplication. So B times sine 40 degree is equal to 30 times sine 52 degree. Now simply we have to divide sine 40 to the other side. So 30 times sine 52 degree over sine 40 degree. Now we will just simply calculate with calculator. So I will write 30 times sine 52 and divided by sine 40. So the answer will be 36.8. So side B is 36.8. Now we have to find side C. As side B is done, so we can just write it over here. This is 36.8. Now with the help of angle A and side A, we can find the side C. As angle C we calculated and it is 88. So we can just write it over here. It is 88. Now first I will write the formula. So what is the formula? Sine A over A is equal to sine C over C. Now sine, what is angle A? It is 40 degree. Side A is 30. Sine, what is angle C? We calculated it. It is 88. So we will write 88 over here over C. What we have to do after this, as we have to find the side, so we will do cross multiplication. So C times sine 40 degree is equal to 3 times sine 88. Now simply we will divide sine 40 to the other side. So C is equal to 3 sine 88 degree divided by sine 40 degree. Now we will do it with calculator. So answer will be 46.6. It is 1 decimal place, and B side is also according to 1 decimal place. Okay, now we will do another example. So for example, if you have another triangle in which they have given you some of the sides, this is 96 degree, this is Z, X and Y, and the sides are given. This is 12 centimeter and this one is 7 centimeter. First of all, we just have to write the sides. So remember, opposite to angle X you have side X, so you can just write it with the small x. Opposite to Z, angle Z, we have small z, and opposite to angle Y we have small y. So this is the value of the small y. What we have to do after this, we have to find angle Y, we have to find angle Z, and we have to find side Z. So as we know that x angle and the side x both are given, so we will just write the formula of sine law. So what is sine law? We can write sine x degree divided by x is equal to sine y degree divided by y. Now sine, what is x degree? X is 96 and side x is 12. Now sine y we have to find, but we have the side y which is 7. After this, simply we just have to shift 7 to the other side. So it will be 7 times sine 96 degree over 12 is equal to sine y. So what we have to do after this, we will just simplify it with calculator. 7 times sine 96 and divided by 12. So your answer will be 0.58. But as we just have to find the angle, so we will shift the sine to the other side. Remember, when trigonometric ratios move to the other side, so you have to write sine inverse. Sine inverse 0.58 is equal to y. Y is the angle. Now we will simply find the sine inverse. So shift, then you have to put sine. So after this you have to write the value, which is 0.58. So the sine inverse of 0.58 is 35. Is 35.5 according to 1 decimal place. Okay. Now we have two angles and we have to find the third angle. So what we have to do, so let me write it over here, 35.5, this is 35.5. So students, remember one thing, when two angles are given, we can find the third angle, we will just add them and subtract it from 180. So 96 plus 96 degree plus 35.5. So the answer will be plus 96, so it will be 131.5. So simply we have to subtract it from 180 because sum of angles of the triangle is equal to 180. So we will subtract it from 180. So answer will be 48.5. So this is the answer, 48.5 degree. This is the final answer. I hope you understood the sine law. See you in the next video. Bye.